Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use animations in PowerPoint to make your presentations more engaging. I'll be using a sample PowerPoint file with 5 slides, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open the PowerPoint file. On slide 1, click on the title text box. Now, go to the top menu and select the Animations tab. Here you'll see different animation effects like fade, fly in, and zoom. Let's choose fade so the text gently appears when we present. Next, move to slide 2. Select the image on this slide, then pick fly in from the animation options. You can also change the direction by going to the effect options dropdown. Let's make it fly in from the left. On slide 3, there are bullet points. Select them all, then apply an animation like appear. To make it more interesting, click Animation Pane and change the setting, so each bullet point appears one at a time when you click. For slide 4, let's add an animation to a shape. Select the shape, then apply a fun effect like bounce. You can adjust the duration in the ribbon to make it faster or slower. Finally, on slide 5, I'll show you how to combine animations. Select the text, apply zoom, then go to the Add Animation button and apply fade as a second effect on exit. Now the text will zoom in and then fade out. Once you've added animations to all your slides, click Slideshow, and then from beginning to preview how everything looks. You can also choose any design. As for the practice, I used a blank presentation. And that's it, you've just learned how to use animations in PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.